Welcome to the vlog. Hopefully the lighting's okay. As you can see, I'm not in the caravan. Now the reason I'm not in the caravan is because, well, it's about probably -1 outside. It's Saturday lunchtime at the moment. It's about -1 outside. I do normally go into the caravan, and in the winter even I go into the caravan, but as we all know, the price of electricity at the moment, I mean, I'm not going to heat the caravan for a couple of hours just so that I can do a vlog. Honestly, it's all we can do to heat the house, right? As you'll know, probably the last vlog I did was Rear of the Year, right? You remember that vlog? Remember that vlog? It was probably only 2-3 weeks ago, but it seems like a lifetime. So that's the vlog where I thought it was a great idea to have a little bit of fun with the rear of caravans. As I kind of mentioned in that vlog, I'm kind of the opinion that they don't really concentrate very much on the rear. I think the same goes with cars, but especially with caravans. I mean, there's some real shocking ones, although, having said that, in recent years they are getting better. Where did we get to with the rear of the year? So I have counted the views, I have counted the votes. They've been independently verified by me. So what I've decided to do, to make it absolutely fair, I've done this what's it called? Wheel of names. So you can put in, so I put in the name of the manufacturers and then I'll spin the wheel and we'll see who wins this. Let's keep it fair. I'm going to ignore your votes. Here we go. Who's won? Eldest. Let's do, I remember now, I was going to do best of 5. Best of 5. Ooh. Who's going to win? Bailey. Let's make this fair. Let's just spin the wheel. Buccaneer. Oops. Nobody voted for Buccaneer, surely. So I've lost count now. I think one each. Yeah, the winner. Oh, Bailey again. Anyway, enough of that tomfoolery. No, seriously though. So we had votes. I think. Oh, how many thousand did we have? 50,000 votes. How can I? I must be able to monetize this amount of votes on something. 50 votes. 50 votes. Okay, that's not bad. I don't know how many votes we got. I haven't counted them properly, but I know Swift. I haven't counted them properly. What sort of competition is this? I will count them once I've done the vlog. I wanted to film the vlog first, but Swift are definitely miles ahead of everything else. I'll put the list of who came first, second, third. I have to say though, I mean, you know, all joking aside, Swift, in my personal opinion, Swift do the best rears. Now, of course, you don't necessarily just buy a caravan because of the rear of the caravan, although. And maybe it's a consideration. Anyway, so what I'll do, I will draft a certificate and send it off to Swift with a window sticker, and I'll let you know if they come back to me. They'll probably ban me. They'll probably get my caravan repossessed or something. Whilst I was at the NEC, excuse me while I bend down and get this parcel. Whilst I was at the NEC, I bumped into a guy from Dry Sparkle. You probably know Dry Sparkle. A couple of people have done reviews on it. I think certainly Bob Earnshaw and Dan Trudgeon have done reviews on it. I really am. I'm really, you know, I'm rubbing shoulders with the good and the great here. So I spoke to Dry Sparkle at the show. You know, I've recently done Caravan Magic stuff. Caravan Magic sent me a load of stuff, so you know, I'm awash with cleaning products. Lucky me. So I wasn't really keen because I'd just done Caravan Magic, and also Bob and Dan have done it, and I thought, you know what, Bob and Dan have done it, who's going to listen to me? However, when I got home, I thought, you know what, maybe some people that subscribe to this channel will want to know what I think of it, especially it being a waterless product. Now I think I bought one from Prima Leisure's, Bailey's accessory, that I can't remember what it was called now, but that was a waterless one. So, and I do have another waterless one for the car. However, I haven't had the chance to test it yet. I mean, I don't know about you, but the weather recently has been pretty shocking. So I've been trying to get out to use to. I mean, it's okay cleaning it is one thing, right? But cleaning it and videoing it at the same time takes a bit more time. So they sent me a kit here, which you could buy, obviously. So there you go, Caravan and Car one, which is good of them. Now what I do, I will, those of you who watch, you have my sympathy, watch my vlogs regularly, you'll know that I've done, in the summer before I went to France, I did my attempt at detailing the car. So I got the proper cleaner stuff, the clay to get rid of all the debris on the car, all that sort of stuff. So, and it came up really nicely, but it does take a lot of time. Now, I will try out this dry sparkle. Now, I will say the kit comes with microfiber cloths and, like I say, car and caravan spray. So I know these, you can get these as a refill, but also you don't need to buy this top bit anymore. Check out their website, obviously, but hold on until I've reviewed them. Hopefully, I'm hoping to do them soon. What I might do is, if we're away over Christmas, I might give it a go on site, because that's one of the big advantages of waterless cleaners, in that you could clean it on site, just give it a spray and you're done. So that's that. Look forward to that. Probably New Year vlog, as we're quite close to Christmas now. Facebook group. If you're not a member of the Facebook group, I'll put a link down here. It's a really good group. 2,000 members now, so it's going strong. Regular caravan dialogue. I moderate it quite strictly, so there's no nonsense on it like you get on some other Facebook groups. So if I'll put the link down there. Have a look and join. Now, the reason I mentioned the Facebook group is that someone on there showed a bit of dash cam footage with them being cut up by a car. As you might know, that with the car we had, the GLC that got stolen, I did have a dash cam fitted just soon after we got it, and that was really good for using, obviously, for things like accidents. I could show you the car smashing into the back of me and stuff like that, but on a serious note, it is useful for safety, and especially for me it's useful for vlogging, so I could take the SIM card out, the memory card out of the camera, and use it in my vlogs. After we got the GLC stolen, we bought the GLE just shortly afterwards. A great tow car, by the way, fantastic. Very similar to the GLC, same engine but just a bigger car. But I don't have a dash cam fitted. Now, when I got the insurance money through, I told them that I'd obviously got the dash cam was in the car at the time, so that got stolen. Also the sat nav, and they quite rightly gave me the money for those things. Now, what I did, because I was very paranoid about the car being stolen again, I used the dash cam money to buy an immobiliser, which I've fitted now. So that's given me peace of mind. But I do miss having the dash cam. So a couple of weeks ago, I went out and bought a dash cam. Now, there's no point in me fitting this kind of thing myself. I'm not an overly practical person, and it would be, I wouldn't do a good enough job for it. So I bought a dash cam. Same place I bought the last one. Now, I got it from the RAC shop. Now, RAC.com, I don't know, whatever, RAC shop, they sell dash cams and also fit them as well. So the dash cam I got was the same make that I had before, actually, because I'm very pleased with it. Now, there are other dash cams available, obviously, and probably just as good, maybe, but I know Thinkware, which is what I listen to. Thinkware dash cam, front and rear, comes in a pack. Now, it's 4K front camera. Now, do you need 4K? You absolutely don't need 4K, but when I'm using it as part of my vlog, I'm filming in 4K now. I can do the dash cam footage in 4K, so that it'd look a bit more like it was filmed on the same thing, maybe. So 4K front, I don't know what the back is, maybe 2K. It's for your reference, it's a U1000 2-channel. So I'm getting that fit next week, so I'll do a little review on that. I know Thinkware well, because I had them before, very good. So look out for that as well in the future. Now, they're not the cheapest. You can definitely get them half the price of that, but like I say, it's a manufacturer I'm familiar with. Nice. So I went with it. Again, I paid for it out of my own money, I think. Yeah, I did. I mean, I paid it out for my own money. Of course I did. I think we're going to bloody give me a free dash cam, you fools. Just going to see if Swift will actually come out. Swift has won. Swift won. At last. One more for luck. Eldest quality caravan vlogging. I've got a 2 camera set up here. I saw somebody using 2 cameras and I thought, that's pretty good. I've got 2 cameras. Why not set them up? Even though that one is probably going to come out a completely different colour to that. Right, I think I'll maybe do another one before Christmas. Where are we now? It's the date of the England-France game. That is the 10th of December. I will no doubt do another one before Christmas. Hopefully now I'll be able to do a few more regular vlogs. A bit more time on my hands, so to speak. So, I think that's it from me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. This is quality caravan vlogging.